The CC410W offers flexible installation options. You can mount it directly onto a magnetic surface using its magnetic base. Alternatively, you can mount the camera on the wall or the ceiling using screws. When you purchase your CC410W, the package should include these items. If you want to install the camera on the wall or the ceiling, the following tools are required. Please note that the microSD card is not included. We recommend installing a microSD card to ensure uninterrupted recordings, especially in cases of unstable network conditions. Place the installation sticker on the surface where the camera will be installed. Use a 6mm drill hit to drill 25mm deep holes for the screws in the marked locations. Hammer the expansion bolts into the wall. Screw the base into place onto the installation sticker. Align the camera holder with the base using the triangle sign. Push it downwards until you hear a click. This confirms a secure lock. Start enjoying a better surveillance experience with Synology.